All right, welcome back. So it's another Wednesday. It's about 7:20, and it's beautiful weather out here. It's a beautiful sunset here in College Station. Just gonna walk around, check out the car meet here before it gets really packed. See some familiar faces here and there. This is nice.
I've been itching to get a newer bike, but this old girl is looking.
Yeah, it just has that side.
That's the 1250. These are nice.
I got to at least Sunday.
Gorgeous bike. Where should you see these vehicles before? Making a comeback. How you doing?
Oh, there he is.
All right. Did you like the photos?
I didn't see.
Oh, yeah. I posted them on the Facebook group. I got some great shots of this car from the side. Yeah.
Is that on Facebook?
Yep. The Wednesday night meet and the BCS Streets Facebook page. Yep. Really cool looking 2+2 with the T-tops. What year is this? A 90?
92.
92. Nice.
Oh, you got from behind. Yeah. It's like I like to trash
That hamster with a little bit of red on it is still a hamster. Yes.
What's going on?
I'm trying to get in front of your video.
Oh, you're good. Just looking at these beautiful, beautiful vehicles. Whose Jeep is that? It's nice. Sorry. Don't see many of these. Actual Saturn Sky Redline Turbo. Rare, rare, rare. Remember seeing these in Dallas back when they came out. This might be an 06 or 07. And he did it right though, the suspension. And it is a manual. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There's some classic muscle here. We got fastback. What year is this? 65? I don't know. Yeah, I guess it is a 65. We've got a 944 here. I know this body style. It's like a 85, 86 possibly. It's an automatic. Mine's a 79. I love the Evos. Man, it is clean. Gorgeous. And we go with the Ferrari. Some pretty unique cars that here at Wednesday Car Meet during College Station. Ferraris, McLarens, and Audis.
Did I find it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and there's also the Wednesday night meets. Yeah, your photos are all over. People are making comments. It's a nice car.
Wednesday night. I got it.
Yeah.
Actually. That's
Well,
why the bumper's messed up.
well, I got it before the accident then.
Oh yeah, you did.
So yeah, I hope you like them. Some gorgeous vehicles here today.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that's it. Good old 911 turbo.
It's crazy because back in that package.
Yeah, this vehicle might trigger some people, but still, it's meme worthy. Oh, look at this, a 3000 GT with fangs. Oh, that is cool. Just in time for Halloween, right? I wonder if it's an SL or a VR4. Let's find out. Front wheel drive. No VR4. Still, nice car. Wait, is it a manual though? Let's see. It's an automatic. Okay. Gotta save the manuals. All right, one more time. So let's walk around a little bit. It's getting a little darker now. that, man. Carbon fiber hood. So the forecast was advertising rain, so that could be another reason why the meet is not as busy as it normally is. So there's that. Every day. Hail WRX, but it's got hail damage. It's funny. It's cool. I get it. I see what you're doing. Nice. Clean, 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 clean. Get a silica. Just not as packed as before. I'm gonna go ahead and kill it here. .350s, Z32s, GR86s, VRZs. Oh, Boxster. Took a few photos of that earlier. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's like the Ferraris already left, and so did the other exotics. I guess that's pretty much going to be a wrap. Gotta save the manuals, man. Gotta save the manuals. All right. Forged carbon fiber wrap, possibly. Nice. Not bad. I can respect this. GX470, I think. No, GX4. Yeah, GX470. Not bad. I know somebody would really like that. John's 370. Yep, okay, we're gonna go ahead and call it quits then. All right, like and subscribe. You know the deal. I'm out of here.